First thing we need to do is to remove the negative battery cable from the battery. Now the computer is located right here, connected right to the airbox. You can see the cables going to it. So we're going to remove that airbox. Now the 06 Sonata we're working on has the 6-cylinder engine. Somebody already did for us, but you just remove that clamp, and there are some, there's a clip way down there, right down there, and then we got this one, and once we do that, then we can take the top of our airbox out of the way. Aha! There's the computer right there. We take the filter out. You actually can see part of the computer protruding into the airbox right there. Neat little design, huh? Next thing we're going to do is to remove these little locks right here. Slide those out of the way. Now we can push our bail down here, and that should relieve that wire. And we got this one here. Now we got those out of the way. Now to remove the airbox, we have to remove 3 10mm headed bolts. One right here, one right here, and one hidden right down there, which isn't there anymore. But if yours is there, remove that one. Pull up on the box a little bit and get it off of this air intake right here. There we go. Now she's off that. And look at that. We can actually get at the computer. And you can see that it's held on by 4 10mm headed bolts that secure it to the airbox. So we got to remove those now. Here is the last screw, which they did come out pretty easily. Look at that. Delphi. That's it. So that's all there is to removing a computer from your Hyundai Sonata.